How to change email address in Duolingo. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is open up your Duolingo application on your device and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After logging into your account, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon over here at the middle, which is at the screen over here. Then you'll be able to see your profile. Now what you need to do is tap on the settings icon at the top right corner. Then you'll be able to see the email section. So you just have to change your email account over here. You can switch for any other email account over here and then switch to another account and then tap on save and you'll be done. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.